In a quaint village, nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young artist named Elena. She was known for her vibrant paintings that captured the essence of the serene landscape surrounding her home. Life for Elena was like a canvas waiting to be adorned with the colors of her dreams. One day, as Elena prepared to paint her next masterpiece, she received news that would change the course of her life. A massive boulder, seemingly out of nowhere, had appeared right in the middle of the path to her favorite painting spot, an obstacle that seemed insurmountable. Elena's heart sank as she gazed at the imposing obstacle. Her path, once clear and familiar, was now obstructed by the unwelcome presence of the boulder. Distraught but determined, she decided to seek guidance from the wise elder of the village, an old man named Master Chung. Master Chung listened attentively to Elena's predicament and, after a thoughtful pause, offered her a piece of ancient wisdom. "Obstacles, my dear, are not roadblocks, they are invitations to explore new paths and discover hidden strengths within yourself." Inspired by Master Cheng's words, Elena approached the boulder with newfound determination. She realized that her artistic journey was not defined by the absence of obstacles, but by her ability to navigate around them. Instead of viewing the boulder as a hindrance, Elena saw it as an opportunity to explore uncharted territories. She discovered a new painting spot with a breathtaking view of the village that she had never considered before. The colors of the sunrise reflected off the boulder, creating a stunning backdrop for her artwork. As Elena painted, she felt a sense of accomplishment and resilience. The obstacle that had initially seemed like a barrier had become a catalyst for creativity and personal growth. Her paintings began to reflect not only the beauty of the landscape, but also the strength she found in overcoming challenges. Word of Elena's transformed perspective and the beauty of her new paintings spread throughout the village. The boulder that was once seen as a hindrance had become a symbol of inspiration for the entire community. They, too, began to see their own obstacles as invitations to explore new paths and discover hidden strengths. Elena's story became a testament to the transformative power of embracing obstacles. Her paintings, now celebrated not just for their beauty, but for the resilience they represented, adorned the walls of the village. And so, in this small village, the tale of Elena and the boulder lived on as a reminder that obstacles are not the end of the road but stepping stones on the journey of life. With each challenge, there is an opportunity to discover untapped potential and paint a more colorful and resilient life.